So we're up here at Loma Alta Park with the tree and paint crew getting everything nice. As you can see, the pathway has been painted. And of course, they're not letting anyone go down there because it's so beautiful. And I will be capturing some of the things that are happening. There's Tony over there. And we got the Prop 68 because the bathroom's getting remodeled. And we got the Altadena Crest Park Trail over here. We have a lot of volunteers up here today, so I'm just here to capture the moments and let you know what progress is going on in Altadena. So we're starting at Loma Alta Park. I'll be going to a few other places today, but I just wanted to give you guys some footage of what we announce and where we go when we do announce things that we're doing, so you can see that these are actually real events and locations that we're going to. So it's giving you the skinny. This is Brian Baca signing off with Altadena Talks up here, getting our volunteer service in, and we hope you guys will enjoy what we're doing. So we'll give you a bird's eye view of everything. Have a seat. So yeah, I need to actually get my headphones. I got them in my pocket. All right, y'all. Thanks for checking it out.
We plan. You're the
Okay,
she's
so
the PIO or
Communications
the
director.
director for communications for LA County Parks.
Oh, okay. So we got the
Exactly.
director for communications, and what's your job?
I'm the deputy director for LA County Parks and Recreation.
And then you're just a deputy.
I'm just Tony Talks. You already know.
I
They
lost
talks
a
too much.
deputy,
Hey, hey.
baby.
What we do on the show, you
Right?
already know. We dance.
I'm
and
serious. Just have to, like
Have
the
a good
first
time.
20 minutes is so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just so fun.
All right, we're gonna take a
Especially
picture now. I'm